Let's be real, you can't just make someone like you solely because you like them too. But let me tell you, there are certain dating tips based on psychology that can help you understand how to increase a man's attraction to you and improve how others perceive you in general. By following some of these tips, you can create a magnetic appeal that captures men's attention and might spark some attraction as well. If you are seeking to make someone obsessed with you, consider trying the following psychology-based dating strategies and tactics. Be aware that these tips can be powerful and you should use them at your own risk. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 5 secret ways to make men obsessed over you. Ask for his help. According to psychology, when we do a favor for someone else, we tend to like them more. This is because our unconscious mind convinces us that this person is trustworthy and that we could count on them in the future. It is important to note that while this is true, it's crucial not to take advantage of this. Instead, you should be genuine and only ask for their help with something that you truly cannot do yourself. For example, you could ask for assistance with assembling furniture, fixing a car or a computer, or any other task that requires assistance. When you ask someone for help, not only does it show that you trust the person, but it also strengthens the bond between you both. Become the best version of yourself. When you are trying to attract a man, it's important to be the best version of yourself. This means focusing on your physical and mental well-being and showing confidence in who you are. By doing this, you will be able to show the man you are interested in what he's missing out on if he doesn't consider you as a potential romantic partner. In order to be the best version of yourself, start by dressing in a way that makes you feel good and confident. Don't be afraid to wear something that makes you stand out and show your personality. Additionally, engage in physical activities that will keep you in good shape and improve your overall health and well-being. This could include sports, jogging, or going to the gym. When you are interacting with the man you want to attract, be engaging and talk about interesting topics. Share your opinions and don't be afraid to crack a joke or two. Smile and have a good time, as this will show the man that you are comfortable in your own skin and confident in your own abilities. Use reverse psychology. Reverse psychology is a strategy that involves getting someone to do what you want by telling them to do the opposite. It is often used in relationships and dating to manipulate the other person's actions or thoughts. In the context of making men attracted to women, reverse psychology can be a powerful tool if used correctly. One common approach to using this in dating is to make the man feel like he has to prove himself to you. For example, if he tries to show off his wealth or his status, you can play it cool and act uninterested. This can make him feel like he needs to try harder to impress you, and as a result, he may become more attracted to you. Another way to use reverse psychology is to make the man feel like he is losing you. If he takes you for granted, you can act like you are not interested in spending time with him. This can make him realize how much he values you and your presence and increase his attraction to you. Just keep in mind to use reverse psychology sparingly and with caution. If you overuse it or use it in an insincere way, it can easily backfire and harm your relationship. Show that you share his values. The idea that people are more likely to fall in love with those who share their beliefs and values is supported by psychology and is referred to as the similar attraction theory. This suggests that being surrounded by people who share our interests and values can increase the likelihood of a romantic connection. If you want to increase your chances of attracting someone, it's important to understand and align with their interests and values. For example, If the person you are interested in is an adventure seeker, it's a good idea to show them your adventurous side. On the other hand, if they value family, you can talk about how important your parents are to you and your family background. Additionally, if they have a passion, you can be curious about it and ask them what they like about it and what their goals are in the future. It's important to be genuine and authentic in your interactions with them. Don't just pretend to care about things they care about in an effort to win their affection. Doing so can easily backfire and lead to them seeing through your facade. Instead, it's better to be honest about your interests and let the connection develop naturally. Have your own life apart from him. Being too clingy or overly focused on a man can be a major turnoff in a relationship. No one wants to be with a partner who makes their significant other the center of their world and is overly possessive. This type of behavior can be associated with toxic relationships and often attracts people who are looking for someone who is insecure and needs constant attention and validation. However, by showing that you are a strong, independent woman with a balanced life and interests outside of the relationship, you grant your partner the freedom to pursue you without worrying about becoming too attached. This means having something going on in your life besides the relationship, whether it be pursuing a passion, reading, spending time with friends or family, or participating in sports. It is important to maintain a sense of independence and not make your partner the sole focus of your life. This shows that you are confident, secure, and self-sufficient, which are all attractive qualities that a man would look for in a partner. Just because you have a relationship doesn't mean that you should give up on your own interests and goals. In fact, you should embrace these things, as spending time apart from someone can not only make them miss you, but they will also appreciate the time spent together even more. When each person has their own interests, goals, and passions, they bring unique perspectives and experiences to the relationship, making it more dynamic and fulfilling. This can lead to a healthy balance and create a sense of mutual respect between partners. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.